On the edge here, okay, it is about 11%. If we go to the end grain, you see the grains running this way. We go to the end grain, it is about 20%. The moisture content changes that much. And this side, which was sitting on top of another board, is still at 24%, 24%. So allowing a piece of wood to dry where there's air circulation all around it is important. And notice that as it's drying, and it dries, most of the moisture is coming out of the end grain here. That's where you're going to get your warping as